Most SwiftUI tutorials teach one small feature as asked all different types of questions using the AI and how to create a class you can use where you have to select the right answer. So instead of stitching together, before we start building, I've added a free complete SwiftUI project. Your SwiftUI app works locally, but can real users actually log in? We will be creating this today that enables the user to log into Firebase to store their own quiz data within their account. So the user would click on Cloud Sync and then enter their username and password if they already have an account, or create a new account. Or they can also sign in anonymously. The first thing we need to do is to create a new Swift file within Data Firebase folder. And then name the file FirebaseAuthViewModel. This view model is at main actor because it owns the UI facing state. That keeps our publish update safe for SwiftUI. Create our class, which is called Firebase AuthViewModel. These properties drive the login screen. The view model owns the form input, loading state, auth state, and any messages the user needs to see. Firebase gives us a listener handle when we observe auth state. We keep it so we can remove the listener later. This listener matters because Firebase Auth state can change outside a button tap. For example, the user may already be signed in when the app opens. Firebase callbacks may not be on the main actor, so we explicitly update SwiftUI state on the main actor. I collaborate with SwiftUI creators and iOS developers on advanced iOS tutorials, scalable apps and developers tools, so feel free to reach out if you're working on something interesting. I collaborate with SwiftUI on advanced iOS tutorials. We remove the author or the auth listener when the view model is released. This is a small but important production cleanup. Anonymous sign-in lets a user enter the app without creating an account first. Later, the anonymous user could be upgraded to an email account. If Firebase returns an error, restore it and exit early. But SwiftUI View can display this without knowing about Firebase. We update the same auth state used by the rest of the app. In the next episodes, we will continue to work on this view model and then implement the final features for this view model that includes create account and sign in with email, and then finally sign out.